Hey guys, and welcome back to VK. In this video, I will be teaching you guys how you can change the background of any photograph using an Android application. For that process, first open the Google Play Store from your Android smartphone. Just open this Google Play Store and in the search box type Snapseed. Snapseed is a photo editing app developed by Google. Hit the install option and wait for the app to be installed on your smartphone. Once the app has been successfully installed, just open the Snapseed app and choose any image whose background you need to change. Now click on the Tools option and click on the double exposure and select another image which you need to place as the background. I selected this flower photograph. Now we have to make sure we place this photograph as the background and align the background photo properly in accordance with the foreground photo. Use this opacity tool to check whether the background is properly placed or not. I'll place this flower like this and I'll use this opacity tool to check that. Now select this option and make sure the background image is darkened. And yes, it is darkened now, and hit the tick. Now go to this undo option and then click on view edits. There click on this double exposure. Check again, click on this double exposure and select the middle option. Now what we have to do is we have to use this brush tool and wipe off the foreground. That's it. This is a very important process, and make sure you don't wipe off the foreground image. Just zoom into the image, decrease the size of the brush and then wipe off the present background. Once you wipe the present background, the fake background which we have placed earlier will start to appear. As you can see, I am slowly, with more precision, I am zooming into the photograph and making sure the background is clearly present. Just zoom into the photograph and use this brush tool and slowly wipe on your screen. Just follow the instructions that I am doing. If you don't understand, just check the dots that is appearing on the screen and you can easily understand the steps that I am following. As you can see, just slowly wipe off all the current background that is present. Once you wipe off the whole current background, the fake background or the background that we have used, the flower image, will start to clearly appear in front of the photograph. I am zooming into the photograph again and slowly wiping off the edges. I'm making sure none of the edges are broken. Now we have to make sure the background near the hands are proper as well. I wiped it clearly, and now near the head I will slowly wipe it. Yeah, I'll make sure the whole fake background that we have placed has been placed successfully or has been overlaid onto the image of Alia Bhatt. This is how you need to accurately do this process. Just follow the instructions that I did. Once it is done, just hit this tick option and just go back. As you can see, we can clearly see the new background, and hit the export option right now. Export is in the bottom bar, and save this photograph to your gallery and hit on view option and view the photograph from your gallery. As you can see, the photograph background has been successfully changed using the Snapseed application. The tool that we used is the double exposure. If you guys have liked this video, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends and kindly subscribe to our channel before leaving. We used to get a lot of feedback about bad audio and video quality. We hope that we have improved in this video. Kindly subscribe and hit that bell icon for future updates. Thank you for watching.